Gather your materials and follow along to create this spooky oven mitt. You probably have all the supplies you need on hand except for the oven mitt. You will need white iron-on, a cutting machine, and an iron. I cut out the skeleton hand using an image from Everyday Party. I have attached a link in the description box below. With this file, you don't need to mirror the image. Just resize if necessary and cut it out. Remove the excess material. I cut my hand into several pieces and iron them on individually. Allow it to cool and your craft is complete. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.